I start with a few words about the company before going to the demonstration and analyzing a couple of results on different lenses. So Kaleo MTF is one of these automated machines. And as I said, the idea is to provide as many parameters as we can about small and complex lenses, even without any information yet. So the main software that controls the acquisition, where you can visualize the results, where you can set the different settings in the measurement sequence, and also where you can control all the motors inside the machine, as well as the camera settings. So we have, of course, the different results in the table for the different angles. But what is more interesting is to look at it, for example, in these different submenus. So if I go here, for example, I have the results for 1 or 2 wavelengths. Kaleo MTF, as you could see, is a fully automated measurement machine that needs basically no alignment at all. You just need to put the lens inside, and all the elements, the source, the sensor, etc., will move and position themselves in order to perform the measurement. You don't need any information on the lens also, so this is a perfect tool for benchmarking.